How to create a strong password you'll actually remember. Struggling to create a strong password that you can actually remember? You're not alone, but there's a simple way to do both. Quick tips for creating a strong password. Here's the easiest way to create a strong password. Use a passphrase instead of a password. That means combining a few random words into one long phrase. Longer passwords, especially passwords with 12 to 16 or more characters, are much harder to crack than short, complex ones. Why most passwords fail? Most passwords fail because they're too short or predictable, such as password 1234, John 2024, QWERTY. These can be guessed in seconds by automated tools. What makes a strong password? A strong password has three characteristics. It is long, with at least 12 to 16 characters or more. It is unique and different for every account. It is hard to guess. Length matters more than complexity. Long passwords are exponentially harder to crack. How to create a strong password. You'll remember. Here's a simple 3-step method that works. Step 1. Pick 3 to 4 random words. Example: Coffee River Sunlight. Step 2. Add a number or symbol. Example: Coffee River Sunlight 7! Step 3. Make it personal, but not obvious. Choose words that make sense to you, but wouldn't be easy for someone else to guess. It creates a password that's both strong and easy to remember. Remember, make every password unique. Never reuse passwords across accounts. If one account gets hacked, reused passwords can put everything at risk. If you have trouble remembering passwords, you can always use a password manager. Best practices for securing passwords. To keep your passwords secure, use a password manager if possible. Enable two-factor authentication. Avoid personal info like names or birthdays. These best practices add extra layers of protection beyond your password. Quick recap. To create a strong password that you'll actually remember, use a long passphrase. Combine random words. Add a number or symbol. Keep each password unique. Common mistake. One common mistake is using short, complex passwords. Even though it's counterintuitive, short, complex passwords are actually easy to guess because they follow predictable patterns. You can also check out the full step-by-step guide linked below for more detailed fixes. And if this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple tech help. SimpleTech help. Tech made simple.